Duna lai snem tam baka jingiakajia jaka shong Them Iewmawlong kadang Sahkut tnen haduh kine sngi. Katkum ke Khubor balayo no Symbud Myntri Rangbah Bah Prestone Tynsong haka arp kendai tarik uloong baka kam kadang teng namar ke Harijan Panchayat Committee kampat ai kanu ke jubab. Ya kini ke kam la tuklar da ke kynhun na New Delhi. La katta Bah Prestone ula pynpaw ke jingkyrmen bayi kini ke kam en la ban Pynbeit nyok kloi mar kibriu ki baju shong Them Iewmawlong en penkenria syaki jaka balabu ke sorkar ulaong.
In fact, that we have already communicated. We are yet to receive the deal exactly. We have already discussed with, because we are waiting also for the availability of those leaders from Delhi, the president and the general secretary of because they were also part of the committee. So we have already indicated the time. So we are yet to receive. But we wanted to complete this pending issue as early as possible. As I said to you, I will not indicate exactly when. But from the government side, we are ready. We wanted to meet them, and once they indicate the time, we will fix accordingly. But we really wanted to complete this pending issue as early as possible.